Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to tell you how you can erase all your data in your Redmi 13C mobile phone. How you can do that. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open settings, swipe down, you can see additional settings. You can click on factory reset, click on it and you have to just erase all your data from here. Click on factory reset and it is telling that it will erase all your data on your phones including photos, songs, notes and other personal data. Make sure you have backup all the important items to your computer. Just click on the next. You have to click on next. Just next. Make sure all the important items are backed up to your computer. All the data on your device will be erased during the reset. You will not be able to restore that item you haven't backed up. Just click on OK. You can see it is erasing all the data. It takes 3 to 4 minutes. You have to just wait it till that it will open and it will erase all your data. Then you need to have setup again. You can see this friends. You can see it is written MIUI 14. The setup is it is wipe all data. Click on next and here you have to enter these information. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.